Hello, this is Cosmo Laser. Today I will introduce the pin marking machine. This is the power switch. This tackle could move the marking pin forward, backward, left, right, freely to the place you want to mark. This rod controls the marking depth. And this the start button. Firstly, let's connect the USB interface with the computer and the machine. Open the software. Start the machine and connect the computer. This software is researched by our company. Then put on the ring and adjust the focus and the location. Here I want to say this mini marking machine is totally different from the fiber laser marking machine. It uses a diamond pin to do the marking during the whole processing, so there is no consumption for the gold, silver material. Then input the words, pictures, and whatever you want on the computer, and then select the marking area, adjust the marking power, then press the start button. Now it is marking on the ring. This machine is created to mark the inside and outside of the finger rings and bangles. It's very good to have one in a jewelry shop. It is small, it's plug and play, it's easy to operate, it's no power consumption, and last, it's much value added to you. Now, you could see the letters on the ring. It's very clearly. Okay, finish. Let's take down the ring. It is so shiny, you no need to polish anymore. Thanks for watching this video. If you are interested, please kindly contact with me www.cosmolaser.net. Thank you. See you next time.